You walk into a store in America. Someone says something to you, and you just smile. You don't know what to say. You feel embarrassed. You feel stuck. Today, that stops. Stay with us. We have 50 sentences that will change your life.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jake. And today we are so excited because this lesson is really, really special.
Yes. Today you are going to learn 50 daily English sentences, real sentences, sentences that Americans use every single day.
At the coffee shop, at work, with neighbors, at school, everywhere.
And the best part, they are easy, simple. You can start using them today.
That's right. No complicated grammar, no confusing rules, just real natural English.
So if you are new here, welcome. This is a safe place. We are happy you are here.
And if you've been with us before, welcome back. We love you guys.
Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Let's do it.
Okay, so Jake, let's start with greetings because every conversation starts with a greeting, right?
Absolutely. And in America, greetings are really casual, really relaxed. We don't say very formal things all the time.
Right. So let's start with number 1. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going? Say it with me. Hey, how's it going?
Good. Now try it. Say it right now, out loud. Don't be shy. Hey, how's it going?
Perfect. Number 2, what's up?
What's up? This is very American, very casual. Friends say this all the time.
Like you see your coworker in the hallway. Hey, what's up?
Exactly. Number 3, good to see you.
Good to see you. This is warm. This is friendly. You say this when you see someone you like.
Like your neighbor comes outside. You smile and say, good to see you.
Nice. Number 4, how have you been?
How have you been? This is for someone you haven't seen in a while. Maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months.
Like, oh wow, how have you been? I haven't seen you in so long.
Yes. And number 5, I've been good. Thanks. And you?
I've been good, thanks. And you? This is the perfect answer to how have you been?
Say it with us. I've been good. Thanks. And you?
Great. So now you have 5 sentences just for greetings. Simple, natural, real.
Okay, viewers, quick question. Can you write one greeting sentence in the comments right now? Just one. Any greeting from this list. We love reading your comments.
All right, let's move to the next group. Sentences for asking for help.
Yes, because in America, it is completely okay to ask for help. People do it all the time. Don't be afraid.
Number 6, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me? Always start with excuse me. It is very polite.
Number 7, I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Can you say that again?
Oh, this one is so important. So important. If you don't understand something, it is okay to say this.
Americans say this too. It's not just English learners. Everyone asks people to repeat things.
Number 8, could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please? This is very polite, and most Americans will be happy to slow down for you.
Number 9, what does that mean?
Simple, direct. What does that mean? You can ask this anywhere.
And number 10, can you write that down for me?
Can you write that down for me? This is great at the doctor's office, at a store, at work. So useful.
Remember, asking for help is not embarrassing. It is smart.
That's right. It takes confidence to ask for help. You are doing great.
Okay, let's go to the coffee shop now.
Oh yes, the coffee shop. This is very American, very important.
Number 11, can I get a coffee, please?
Easy, simple. Can I get a coffee, please?
Number 12, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend? This is great when you don't know what to order. You ask the person working there.
Number 13, is this sweet?
Is this sweet? Maybe you don't like sugar. You want to know before you order.
Number 14, can I have that to go, please?
To go means you want to take it with you, not sit inside. Can I have that to go, please?
And number 15, how much is it?
How much is it? You need this every single day, at every store, every restaurant.
Say it with us. How much is it?
Perfect. Now let's practice a little coffee shop conversation. I'll be the customer. Sarah, you be the person at the counter.
Okay,
Hey, can I get a coffee, please?
of course. What size?
Medium, please. Actually, what do you recommend?
The caramel latte is really popular.
Okay, I'll try that. Can I have it to go, please?
Sure. How much is it? It's $4.50.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
See? That's a real conversation. Simple sentences, real life.
And viewers, notice Jake used so many of our sentences right there. That's how you do it.
All right, let's talk about work now. Very important.
Yes, so many of our viewers work in the United States, or they want to work here. These sentences will really help you.
Number 16. Good morning, everyone.
Simple, friendly. You walk into work and say, "Good morning, everyone."
Number 17. I have a quick question.
I have a quick question. This tells your coworker or boss you need just a little of their time.
Number 18. I'm working on it.
I'm working on it. This means you are doing the task. You haven't finished, but you are trying.
Like your boss asks, is that report done? And you say, I'm working on it.
Number 19. Can we talk later?
Can we talk later? Maybe you are busy right now. This is a polite way to say, not now, but soon.
And number 20. Let me know if you need anything.
This is so kind, so American. You say this to a new coworker, to a friend, to anyone. Let me know if you need anything.
Say it with us. Let me know if you need anything.
Beautiful. Okay, we are at sentence 20, almost halfway. You are doing amazing.
Don't stop now. Keep going. These next sentences are really, really useful. Let's talk about everyday situations. Things that happen every single day in America.
Number 21. I'll be right back.
I'll be right back. You say this when you leave for a minute and you're coming back soon.
Number 22.
No worries. Oh, Americans love this phrase. It means it's okay. No problem. Don't stress.
Someone apologizes to you. You say, no worries.
Number 23. That sounds great.
That sounds great. This is a positive, agreeable response. Someone suggests something, you like the idea. That sounds great.
Number 24. I totally understand.
I totally understand. The word totally makes it feel more natural, more American.
Number 25. I'm not sure, but I'll find out.
This is honest, and Americans respect honesty. If you don't know the answer, say, I'm not sure, but I'll find out.
Don't worry about being perfect. Real conversation is about being honest and kind.
Exactly. Okay, we are at sentence 25. That's halfway. Pause the video right now if you need to. Review what you learned, practice out loud, then come back.
Welcome back. Let's keep going. We are halfway there and you are doing so well.
Okay, number 26. Sentences for making plans with people.
Yes, these are so fun. Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend? You ask your friend or coworker this. Simple, friendly.
Number 27. Do you want to grab lunch?
Grab lunch. This is very casual American English. Grab means to get or have. Do you want to grab lunch?
Number 28. What time works for you?
What time works for you? This is respectful. You are asking what is good for the other person.
Number 29. I'll meet you there.
I'll meet you there. You're going to the same place but separately.
And number 10. I can't make it. Sorry.
I can't make it. This means you cannot come. You are canceling. Very common phrase.
Like, hey, are you coming to the party? And you say, I can't make it. Sorry. Maybe next time.
Yes, and maybe next time is a good thing to add. It shows you still want to spend time with them. Okay, now let's talk about feelings. Expressing how you feel. This is so important for real connection.
Number 31. I'm really tired today.
Just honest. Simple. I'm really tired today. Your coworker asks how you're doing. You can say this.
Number 32. That's so funny.
We say this all the time. That's so funny. When something makes you laugh.
Number 33. I'm a little nervous.
This one is good for you, our viewers. Maybe before a presentation, maybe before a conversation in English. It's okay to say, I'm a little nervous.
And people will understand. People will be kind.
Number 34. I'm so happy for you.
You say this when something good happens to someone you care about. I'm so happy for you.
It's warm. It's genuine. Americans love hearing this.
Number 35. That means a lot to me.
That means a lot to me. When someone does something kind for you, when you feel touched, that means a lot to me.
Say it with us. That means a lot to me.
Beautiful. Okay, viewers, let's do a quick practice. I'm going to say something. You say the right response out loud. Ready?
Ready.
I say, you did a great job today. What do you say?
That means a lot to me. Thank you so much.
Perfect. See? Natural. Easy. You can do this.
Okay, Let's talk about shopping. Americans love to shop.
We do, we really do. Number 36. I'm just looking, thanks.
This is so important. When you walk into a store and someone asks, "Can I help you?" you can say, "I'm just looking, thanks." It is completely normal.
Number 37. Do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size? You found something you like, but the size is wrong.
Number 38. Can I try this on?
Can I try this on? You want to go to the fitting room. This is how you ask.
Number 39. I'll take it.
I'll take it. You decided. You want to buy it. I'll take it.
And number 40. Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards? Some small stores only take cash. It's smart to ask.
Do you accept credit cards?
Say it with us. Do you accept credit cards?
We have 10 more sentences. The last 10. These are great ones.
Okay, final 10. These are everyday phrases that will make you sound really natural.
Number 41. Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me. Someone suggests a plan. You agree. Sounds good to me.
Number 42. I had no idea.
I had no idea. This means you didn't know something. You are surprised. I had no idea.
Like, did you know that store closed? And you say, I had no idea.
Number 43. Can you do me a favor?
Can you do me a favor? You need help with something small. This is how you ask.
Very polite, very common.
Number 44. I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it. You are grateful for something someone did. I really appreciate it.
More genuine than just thank you. It shows real feeling.
Number 45. Make yourself at home.
Oh, this one is so warm. You say this when someone comes to your house. Make yourself at home. It means relax, feel comfortable. You are welcome here.
Number 46. Long time no see.
Long time no see. You haven't seen someone in a while? This is the casual, fun way to say it.
Number 47. I totally forgot.
I totally forgot. Again, that word totally, it makes it sound natural. You forgot something? I totally forgot.
Number 48. Just checking in.
Just checking in. You send a message or call someone to see